Hey everyone, John Beacon here, your pre-owned manager at Lexus of Orange Park. Come visit us at 7040 Blanding Boulevard to check out our Lexus certified lineup. Today we are featuring this 2020 Atomic Silver Lexus NX300. This NX has only 60,000 miles and has been marked down to sell at only $34,620. This all-wheel drive, 6-speed automatic transmission vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine and receives a combined fuel economy rating of 24 miles per gallon. This vehicle comes with an abundance of safety features, including the pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and intelligent high beams. Some of this vehicle's highlights include power tilt and slide moonroof, heated and ventilated front seats, power rear door with kick sensor, and a 10.3-inch navigation system complete with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto interface. All Lexus certified vehicles come with a 161-point vehicle inspection, an unlimited mile warranty for up to 6 years, the next 4 factory recommended maintenances for 2 years, and a 90-day trial of Sirius XM radio. Stop by today to test drive this or any of our great Lexus certified vehicles. Until next time, bye-bye.